Okay, new experience. Don't have all the right tools, but I think I'll get there. I'm working for the cushion on the seat that's gonna be in front of my desk, and that houses the foldable workbench inside as well. So the cushion that I bought is a 4-inch high density, and I'm gonna cut that to size and then make some fabric around it. So the first thing that I'll do is, got a cutting list, I'll measure it to size. Okay, the next step is to cut it. Let's hope, because I also have to keep it straight down. It's not perfect, but I'm fairly satisfied with it. It's not perfect again, but I don't think I could have wished for anything better. That's done. Now I'm going inside and start with the fabric. New setup. I got some bright red exterior fabric, and the bright red is because it's there's a lot of white. Got my white seat over there as well, and I got this Mondrian painting, and this Mondrian painting has all these bright colors as well, the yellows and blue and red, so that complements that, and it gives me a little bit of flavor in the van too, instead of the really bright and clean white. So got my design here and the measurements. Next step is sizing the fabric. So got my measurements here, and that's what I'm gonna do then. Oh, let me see. I'm taking my time. Probably a lot of you out there are laughing at me. Okay, that's my second line. Then I have to measure out the corners, and in my case it's 1/3 and 1/15/16, which is almost identical, and I can cut them out immediately. The next thing is I have to make a notch here in the middle as well as on the opposite side. And what the easiest way should be is just to fold them over. So, and then I'll make a small cut, but you can also use a pencil for that. So it's 1/3 again, deep. That's one more. Okay, now we're working on the zipper. And it has to go along the length of the cushion. I have a zipper allowance of 5/8, and I have to double it up, so that's a distance of about 1¼ inch. Okay. Then I got me some basting tape. ¼ inch. And what I'll do now is glue that at the outside. I use the back side of a spoon. Now I use the back side of a fork in this case. I have to peel this off. And now I can fold it double. Go back to my fork again. And I do the same on the other side. Okay, getting the tape off. Yep. I put on the long side a zipper and I hand stitch that all the way. Now I have to pull the other side over and attach to the other side of the zipper. I wonder now, when I'm filming this, how all of you are laughing at me. But that's fine. Let's see what I can make out of it. I sewed the other half of the zipper on, and if I close it, leave it that way, you see it's not entirely perfect, but it looks pretty good. And now I have to start working on the sides of the cover. I indicate ½ inch seam on the inside. Then I have the outside at the top, and I use the basting tape again. Then I have to do both of the corners. And finally, only on the long side in the middle. Now I'm taking off the tape along the sides only. And now I fold it. That should keep it together. I have to close this zipper up first, and then open the corner up this way. To this other corner that I have here. Yeah. Do is now I need a I need a ½ inch seam here, and I should end up. My foam is 4 inches thick, so this should be 3½ inches long. Now I still have to cut off the zipper line. And now we have to cross our fingers. First of all, now I got my inside the cover. And let the struggle begin. for my first cushion, that's not too bad. It's just a pity that it's probably going to be my last cushion as well. Hey. Okay, this is going to be my seat. And how it will work is I will have a desktop folded up over this painting, but that desk will fold down. I can move that seat, for instance, down here, or however it will work. Sit on it, do my typing, and of course I can use it like this too. So when I sit in my chair here, over there, I have a beautiful way to relax. Could even sleep on it. Oh, before I go, please pay attention to these missing children. If you have any information, please call the appropriate number. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.